Forum. Today we'll be looking at how to find a quadratic equation from its roots. So we have series of questions here. We have let's start from the first question. We have the two roots here. We have 3 and 4. So to get this root, since it's positive, it simply means that no, 3x minus 3 bracket x minus what 4 equal to 0. So if you multiply all, we have equal to 0. This will give us x squared, 4x, and this one will give us minus 3x to give us plus 12 equal to 0. So here we have x. This plus that will give us minus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. That's for this number 1. So the next one we have is minus 1 and minus 2, 1 and half, minus half. So we have another one, that is bracket and then x. So what we have here, opening the bracket, we have plus then we have x multiplying, we have x multiply x squared 2x x plus x over 2. So then when we sum these two together, adding them together, we'll have that will be x. Here will give us 2x. Multiplying through, we have a 3x over what 2. 3x over 2 plus x plus what x over 2. So in this case now, to equal to 0. So in this case we'll have to get the quadratic equation, multiply all through by 2. Equal to 0. So this multiply, you have 2x squared plus 2 multiply this, you have 3x, and 2 multiply that, we have x. Is that x? No, it's not x. So we miss something there. We miss something here. It should be 1. This one should be 1. We miss something there. This one also should be 1. Here should be 1. And finally, that's where we miss it. So 2 multiplying this, we have 1. Alright, equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Okay, now let's go to the next one. So the next one is s minus brackets. We have again x minus equal to 0. Opening the brackets, this one in the bracket, we have x plus. This other one will give us plus 4 equal to 0. And then we multiply through, we have so multiply it, we have x squared. This one should be 2x over 3. Then we have this multiplying that we have what we have here should be, this will cancel out, we have, it should be 1 over 6 equal to 0. That's what it should be. So the next one we're going to do here is, since we have this, we're going to add up these two. Adding it up, we have what they have here is 12. We have 2 is give us 3. This other one will give us 4. We have 8. Add it up, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 over 11s over 12. 11s over 12. So that's what will be here. So what we have here is x squared plus 11x over what? 12, and plus 1 over 6 equal to 0. So to remove the fraction, we multiply all by 12. We have 11x over 12 plus this equals to 0. So 12 multiplied that, we have 12x squared plus 11x. This will cancel out. The next one we have 2 equal to 0. So that's the quadratic equation. So we're going to stop it there. Then we're going to, so the last one we have minus 3x minus 6 all in brackets. That will give us that. This will give us plus 6. Then x multiplying, we have plus 6. And then the next one is minus 3 multiplying what we have there. This will give us x squared, 6x minus 3x minus 18. These two will give us plus 3x and then minus 18 equal to 0. All equal to what? 0. That's the final answer for the last one. Thank you so much for being part of the class. I want to read your comments. Comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much.